Osmosis DI. No. Wait. The the DJI Os. No, wait. God, that's so wrong. This thing. Hello guys, my name is Sandra. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a review on the DJI Osmo 3 Combo Gimbal. This is a first time impression. It's the first time I actually have one of these things in my hands. And guys, so far this is the coolest toy I ever had. So yeah, so far is the coolest toy I had. I love it. This video might be of value for a friend of yours or for you, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification because I try to post every week a video, and this really helps to grow my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I post daily content. I'll leave the description down below. I got this gimbal as a suggestion from my boyfriend because I needed a tool that will stabilize my phone, like a tripod thing, because I needed to make more videos professionally, start to do them professionally. And plus this was on sale on Best Buy. So he already has the DJI Osmo 1, the first one that came out from this same brand. And he told me, hey, they have right now the 4, but let's try with the 3. So I'm like, okay, I don't know what it is. So, I mean, yeah, let's go ahead and buy it. I love it. This is the coolest toy I ever had in my hands. I cannot get tired of saying that. And the reason is simple. I can make professional videos by myself. I mean, I don't need anybody else to do it, to help me out. And I mean, I save a lot of time with this. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Alrighty, so our DJI Osmo 3 Combo Gimbal comes with a case, a protective case. Is very comfortable. As you can see, it has another compartment for you to store other things. It comes also with a strap, the case, and inside it's very soft, so if you drop it, it won't hurt the device. And the device itself has another strap, so when you're using, you can wrap it around, and it's like super comfortable. As you can see, my hand is not that big, it's very small, and this gimbal fits perfectly into my hand. And with a single movement, just like that, we open our gimbal and it's ready to go. You just have to place your phone on the holder and press the power button. It comes with a tripod. That is something new, I believe, that the other versions didn't have, the 1 and the 2, just the 3rd. And this is very comfortable for me because I didn't have a tripod, and this I can put it on any surface and record my videos. You just press and hold the power button and that's it. Apart from the tripod, it comes with the USB charger. The head is type C. It's very comfortable for me because it's the same head type of my phone, the Samsung Galaxy S9. There are 3 things that I like about this gimbal the most. So the first one is the traveling size. The size is ideal to take it with you anywhere due to its folding features. So you can just wrap it around your wrist and you're good to go. The second feature that I like is the face tracking. I have an automated camera person follow me while I'm doing my videos. I love how this feature makes my life easier to vlog or make cooking, working out videos because I can do them by myself using just my phone and this gimbal. And the third feature that I really like is the gesture control. I just need to activate on the DJI app the gesture controls. When the phone is connected, do a peace sign and the phone will start recording me instantly. and following my face as well. Then when I want to stop the recording, I just raise my hand to my head level and the recording will stop. This is the end of the video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notifications so you can get notified weekly when I release my videos. Now this really helps my channel, so please follow me on Instagram. I post daily content. I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you want to see me doing a new recipe or a type of workout or another review, please put it on the comments below and I'll try to make it happen. Thank you so much for staying to the end of the video. This is it. I hope you liked it and see you on the next one. Bye.